Aplastic anemia. Aplastic anemia is a historic disease. The first patient was described by the young Paul Ehrlich in 1885. Aplastic anemia is a disorder of the hematopoietic stem cell that results in a loss of blood cell precursors, hypoplasia or aplasia of bone marrow. Hypoplasia or aplasia is the incomplete development or underdevelopment of an organ or tissue. In simple words, we can say that aplastic anemia is a rare bone marrow failure disorder in which the bone marrow stops making enough blood cells. As we all know that hematopoietic stem cells, HSCs, are multipotent primitive cells that can develop into all types of blood cells, including myeloid lineage and lymphoid lineage cells. Myeloid cells include monocytes, macrophages, neutrophils, basophils, eosinophils, erythrocytes, and megakaryocytes to platelets. Lymphoid cells include T cells, B cells, natural killer cells, and innate lymphoid cells. HSCs can be found in several organs, such as peripheral blood, PB, bone marrow, BM, and umbilical cord blood, UCB. Aplastic anemia occurs as a result of destruction or deficiency of blood-forming stem cells in your bone marrow. Recognized causes of aplastic anemia are chemicals, e.g., benzene, inorganic arsenic. Medications, antineoplastic drugs, antibiotics, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, anti-seizure medications, or toxins. Hepatitis. Pregnancy, radiation, viruses, Epstein-Barr virus and cytomegalovirus. Inherited disorders of bone marrow failure due to genetic mutations, example, Fanconi anemia, Schwarzman-Diamond syndrome, dyskeratosis congenita. What are the symptoms of aplastic anemia? Frequent viral infections that last longer than usual. Fatigue, bleeding or bruising more easily. Feeling short of breath, dyspnea. Skin color that's paler than usual. Dizziness, headache, fever. How is aplastic anemia diagnosed? Complete blood count, CBC, with differential. This tests and measures your blood cells, including all 5 types of white blood cells. Peripheral blood smear. Medical pathologists examine your blood cells and platelets under a microscope. Reticulocyte count. This test counts the number of immature red blood cells, reticulocytes. Bone marrow aspiration and bone marrow biopsy. Providers do these procedures to obtain bone marrow tissue that pathologists examine under a microscope.